Hello everyone. Now let us look into the second lab program in your data structures laboratory. So what is the program saying is you have to design, develop and implement a program in C for the following operations on strings. So mainly what you have to do, you have to read a main string str, then a pattern string pat, then one more you have to do is you have to replace a string, that is rep. Next, you have to perform the pattern matching operations, that is, you have to find and replace all occurrences of pattern PAT in the string with REP if PAT exists in that str string, and you have to report with a suitable message in case like pattern does not exist in the string str. Let us go to the program now. So in the program, you have declared three header files, that is stdio.h, stdlib.h and string.h. So here you have declared four arrays, that is str, pattern, pat, then replace string for that rep, then ans, and it is of size 100. So you have declared few more variables which is of type integer also, that is I, j, c, m, k, and you have initialized the flag value as 0. So if we go to the main function here, you have got only two functions, that is read function and replace function. Now let us look into the read function. So in the read function, the first instruction what you have is printf. So printf enter main string. So what the statement is saying here, the user will enter the main string, and in order to read the main string you need scanf statement, and here you have %s because this is a string, that's why you have used %s here, and whatever the main string that you will read, it will get stored in str. Similarly, you have to enter the pattern string. Obviously, it will get stored in PAT. And next, you have to enter the replace string. Obviously, that also will get stored in REP. So this is all about read function. After the read function, what you have in the main function? Replace function. So in the replace function, we will look in detail.
Good morning. Today we are going to discuss the second lab sets of the data structure subject, okay, that is string operation. Here we are going to having, okay, problem statement will be like this. We have to be read a main string, we have to be read a main string and read a pattern string and read a replacement string. Okay. See, if that pattern is present in the main string, you have to be replace that pattern with the replacement string and stores in the answer string, okay, or the final string it may be. The problem statement will be like this: read a main string and a pattern string and a replacement string, okay, and perform pattern matching operations and find the replace for all occurrence of the pattern in the main string and replace it with the answer string. This is the problem statement. Okay. See how it works. Before go with the program, I will explain that one. See, I am going to read a matrix in the main string as MITM. Okay, MITM is my main string. It will be stored in the main string as it shown. See, I am going to take on a pattern string. I am going to take on the pattern string as M. Okay, M is my pattern string. See, I want to replace M, okay, in the main string wherever it is available and replace with A. Replace with A. Okay, see how it works. See that one. See, main string. Okay, first character of the main string and first character of the pattern string is match. Okay, M is equal to M. Yes. Then it going to replace M by replacement string. It going to replace the first character M is mapped with the main string of the first character, and if it is match in the sense it replaces with the replacement string. Next, second character, okay, second character of that one will map with the M, it is match, no, then will be retained as it is from the main string. Now third character of the main string is I, it map with the pattern string M, okay, T is not equal to M, then it is not going to replace, it is remain as it is. Lastly, m, okay, m is the, okay, m is matched with the pattern string that have to be replaced by a, and it will be replaced and stored at the final string and ends with the null character. It's supposed to work like that. It's supposed to work like that. I'm going to repeat again. See, we have to read three strings: main string, pattern string, and replacement string. Okay, wherever the pattern string components are present in the main string, you have to be replace each and every character from there. See here, m is, when you go with this example, m is mapped with the pattern string m, and it is replaced by a, stores over here. I not map with m, retain. T not map with m, retain. M map with m, for that reason replace and stores at a. Okay, these two elements get reflected. Okay, these are the two characters and reflected and stores, and it stores. Okay, to do these things, okay, I am going to, okay, reading, it's not a simple one. Okay, reading is a simple one. You are going to read main string and, okay, pattern string and replacement string, and those are stored at the three strings, that is str, okay, pat. These are the strings I used over there. These are the strings I used over here. See how this this concept works. Let's see. See, when my replacement string function calls, okay, I have four variables over here. I, m, c, j. Okay, I, m, c, j. I make it as 0. Okay, why? Okay, what are those variables is used for? Okay, these are the looping variables where I deals with, okay, I deals with pattern string, okay, and m deals with main string, and c, okay, remaining components are left out, no, that will be dealt by c, and j is, okay, pattern string will be dealt by j. Okay, these are the looping variables I am using. See, from where to where you supposed to run this concept, in the sense up to, okay, string, okay, my string is not equal to null, okay, till where the pattern matching supposed to carry out, in the sense from the 0th character to the null character, okay, because a string is an array of characters, ends with the null character. Okay, when a null is encountered, we came to know that string is ended. Okay, from the 0th character to the null character, you are supposed to do the operation. Okay, it is under the while. See what operation you are supposed to do. Okay, str of m. Okay, initially we made all these values as 0. Initially we made all these values as 0. See, initially I made all these values are 0. See, now str of m. Okay, str of m, in the sense m, str of 0 is equal to pattern of 0. Str of 0, okay, 0 in the sense m, pattern of 0 in the sense m. M equal to m. If it is equal, you supposed to go for replacement. Otherwise, no need of replacement. Okay, in this example, the first character of the main string and first character of the pattern string is match. Okay, when it is match, I incremented I and m. I get incremented and m get incremented to 1. I get incremented and m get incremented by 1. Next, if pattern is null, okay, if the pattern of the next character is null, suppose, okay, many more characters may be replaced by the pattern string. Okay, but in this example, I am going to go with a single character. See, if the second character of the pattern string is null, okay, no need to go with the mapping with the main string. For that reason, I stopped there. See, now I start replacing. Okay, from k is equal to 0 to replacement of length. Okay, replacement of length is 1. Okay, see, till that one I am going to start replacing. What replacing in the sense? A of j, j value is 0. Okay, answer of j in the sense 0th character over here. Okay, 0th character over here. Now it is replaced by replacement of k. See, this m is replaced by a. See here, answer of j in the sense a of 0. Sorry, answer of 0 is equal to, okay, replacement of k. Okay, this a get seated over here. Okay, a is come and accumulated over there. Now I change I value once again back to the 0. Okay, next I make c is equal to m. Okay, what is the m value there? 1. I replace c by 1 in this stage. Okay, in this stage the remaining elements will be like this. Okay, now Now once again it goes back, now checking that one, either C is my zeros, now C is 1, see that one. Okay, now the string of, okay, what is the m value there? M of 1. Okay, string of 1 in the sense the second character of the main string is equal to pattern string, it is checking. The second character of the main string is I, the pattern string is m, I is equal to m, no, I is equal to m, no, and the time else in the sense if part will be not work. Okay, if part will be failure over here from this if, from here to here if statement is failed, then it goes to the else part, it simply copies the string component to the answer string. See, I is not mapped with the m in the sense I just come and copy it to the answer string. Now here what happens? J get incremented in the sense it becomes 1, and C get incremented, in the sense it becomes 2, and m is equal to C, in the sense, okay, m becomes 2 and I becomes 0, okay. Next level, okay, next, okay, on the time, okay, see before we setted the flag if the pattern found, okay, if the pattern found in the sense we setted the flag in the previous stage itself. Now it goes back, what is the C value there? 2 in the sense, okay, a string of 2 in the sense t is not equal to null, for that reason while loop is not ended there, it entered, what is the m value there? M is 2 there, high value is 0, okay, str of 2 in the sense it is t equal to m, it's checking, t equal to m, no need of replacement, simply this if statement breaks, it goes to the else part, just copied the string what are there at the t back to my answer string. Now what are the things happens? J get incremented in the sense J becomes 2, C get incremented, C becomes 3, and M becomes 3, I becomes 0, okay, it remains as it is, Now checking that one, what is C value? Str of C in the sense, str of 3 in the sense m is not equal to null, for that reason while loop continues, okay. Now if pattern of m, okay, m is 3 here, third component is m, and string of 0 in the sense, pattern of 0 in the sense it is m equal to m, yes, when the function says that one, okay, the pattern strings are matching in the sense you need to replace that one. How the replacement components get work on in the sense, okay, I is incremented by 1, m is incremented by 1, okay, if that pattern is equal to null, because only one characters we are mapping, yes, here pattern of I is equal to null because pattern of 1 is null here, Next we are going to replace that string, in the answer string, okay. See, m get replaced by the replacement string, okay. Now here once the replacement components are run, okay, next it is get incremented, you are going to check that one, okay, str of C is, okay, C value is 4 now, okay, see 4 is null, for that reasons this condition breaks, it comes to this part, okay, checking that one, flag is equal to 0. See, if the pattern is found, in the main string, you say that one, okay, string matching conducted, otherwise the string matching does not conducted, we are going to declare such that one, okay, flag is 0, okay, pattern does not found, why? Because flag is not set, okay, else the replacement string you are going to display the things, okay. This is my second lab set program, that is string operations, okay. Finally it ends with null character, okay. See, I going to give the highlight, so okay, simple, we are having a main string, we are having a pattern string, we are having a replacement string, okay. These three things are readed, okay. Question says that one, find out the pattern in the main string, if the pattern match, replace that pattern by the replacement string and stores at the answer string, okay. This is the question.
Let us look into the execution of the second lab cycle, cc lab2.c. Then after that, to run the program, press the ./a.out. Then after that you are going to get the enter main string. So for that you have to enter the mitm, that is what you are seeing in the explanation. Then the main string is mitm. Next after that it is going to ask the pattern string. So which pattern you like to search in the main string. That is, I am going to give the single letter, that is M. I like to search the pattern M in the main string, that is mitm. So after that, so if the pattern is present, then only it is going to ask to replace the string. So now when you are going to press the A, then it is going to replace the wherever the M is present, that is the pattern M is present, that will be going to be replaced with the A. Now press enter. Now the resultant string you are going to get AITA. That means that so the M is going to be replaced with the A. So next let's see though how it is going to be search the given pattern. Now take the another example, that is mitm, same example I took. Now press the another letter, like suppose for example press T. Now I am searching the pattern T in the main string mitm. So now the string, it is going to display that the string is present. Suppose if you are going to give the G, so G is not present in the main string, right? So what are the output you are going to get? That is enter the replace string. Then if you are going to give the I, then it is going to display the pattern does not found. So that means that when the pattern is found, then it is going to be replaced. If the pattern is not found, it is going to display the message that the pattern does not found. So this is the execution of the second lab cycle. Thank you.